இதோட கொஸ்டின் சொன்னால் எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். Okay. Hi students, we are started electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay. Problem we are going to discuss now. Write down. In a certain region of space, with volume 0.2 meter cube, in a certain region of space, இப்போ வேறு ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்தோமோ? ஓகே அதே கண்டினியூ பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, we'll complete this and come. A short electric dipole then அது. Okay, a short electric dipole as a dipole moment, a short electric dipole as a dipole moment of 16 into 10 power minus 9 cm. 16 into 10 power minus 9 cm. The electric potential, a short electric dipole as a dipole moment of 16 into 10 power minus 9 cm. The electric potential due to the dipole, at a point, at a distance of 0.6 meter, from the center of the dipole, situated on a line making an angle, 60 degree with the dipole axis, is dash. I am repeating the question again. A short electric dipole has a dipole moment of 16 into 10 power minus 19 cm. The electric potential due to the dipole at a point at a distance of 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole, situated on a line making an angle of 60 degree with the dipole axis, is dash. Option A, B is given. Option A, 200 volts. Option B, 400 volts. C option, 0. I think 3 option enough. Okay. So what is this cm? What is cm? Cm represent what? Chief Minister? Coulomb into meter. And what is this quantity? Dipole moment. Symbol used for dipole moment? Yes? No, you refer and say. See and say. Symbol used for dipole moment. Q into 2D equal to what? Q into D or Q into 2D equal to? P, is it so? Dipole moment P. Dipole moment P equal to Q into 2D. We discussed, no? Q into 2D or D, whatever. Q into 2D or D. 2D is the distance between the two charges that we discussed. What is dipole? Two charges, two equal charges, opposite charges separated by a small distance. That is called dipole. First chapter itself we have studied, and first chapter electric field we discussed, and here potential, electric potential. Okay. What is the formula for electric potential? Electric potential due to dipole. Yesterday class we have given the formula. P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. That's all. So here this is 0.6 meter is r, and this is theta. Just you want to substitute. P is given directly. Substitute and simplify, and you know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 power 9. That's all. You simplify and say the answer. Yes, now you want to substitute. There's no need. This just to learn how to get substitute. P value. What's the P? P is 16 into 10 power minus 9 into cos theta, cos 60. Cos 60 degree divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 power 9. Is it so? 9 into 10 power 9 divided by R. R is 0.6 square. Simplify and say which is the correct option. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9, no? ஆமாம் 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught only 9 to 10 power 9 இல்லையா? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 to 10 power 9. Is it so? Value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. இது அப்போ போட மறந்துட்டேன், ஸோ லாஸ்ட் நான் போட்டுருக்கேன். தட்ஸ் ஆல். Cos 60 degree, how much? 1 by 2. Equal to 10 power minus 9, 10 power plus 9. 10 power minus 9, 10 power plus 9 cancel. Okay. And 0.6 only you want to simplify. into cos 60 1 by 2 you said, so 1 by 2 2 I am writing into 0.6 square. 0.6 square how much? 6636. 0.36. 0.36 into what's the remaining thing? 9 is there. 9 and 36 is it possible to cancel? How much? 9 4 times. Suppose this 0.36 means 0.4 or 0.04. Suppose if you feel that confusion, better my advice to keep as 0.6 into 0.6. Okay, this you can keep as 0.6 into 0.6 into 9. Now you can easily cancel this 339 and 326. Okay, again 326. Now you simplify. Simplify and say which is the correct option. Now 2816, is it so? Try to cancel whatever possible things. And 248, 212, 224, 212. 0. 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 by 0.1 into 0.1. Now V equal to 2 by 0.1 into 0.1. That you want to simplify. This is the option. This you can understand, no? Suppose you feel difficulty means you can do as it is. 0.6 square, 0.36 will come, and then you can simplify, no problem. Which option? Answer earlier. 2 by 0.1, you don't know how to. 200, yes. Yes, 200, correct. This is 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 2 comes up 10 power plus 2, 200. This is one way. Or another way, if you multiply this with 10, 1. Another 10, 1. So, into 10 by 10, this is for 1.1. And another 10 by 10 for another 0.1. Okay. In a different way you can do. So, this becomes 1 and 200 volts, or V equal to 2 by 10 power minus 1. 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10 or 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 comes up 10 power plus 2 equal to 200 volts, or this or that. Anything you can follow. Suppose answer is coming 200 volts, another one 20 volts, 0.2 volt, 0.02 volt means you will confuse. As here 200, 400 you can easily found. Is it so? Can you next problem? Okay. In a certain region of space, with volume 0.2 meter cube, with volume 0.2 meter cube, the electric potential is found to be 5 volts. 5 volts throughout. 5 volts throughout. The magnitude of electric field in this region is dash. The magnitude of electric field in this region is dash. Answer is 0.5 N by C. B option 2.5 N by C. C option 0. Okay. So volume is given. What is this? What is this? This physical quantity? Electric potential. Symbol for electric potential? capital V will keep, because we may confuse with this V and this V. Small v is a volume, capital V is a potential. V equal to 5 volts. Okay. Then, what you want to find? Electric field. Magnitude of electric field. E value you should find out. Okay. Last class only we have given the relationship between electric field and potential. What is the formula? Yesterday class only. Relationship between electric field and potential. V equal to minus E into dx, and then E equal to, it's first class itself we put this one.
E is equal to minus dV by dx.
Minus
dV by dx.
E equal to, correct. E equal to minus dV by dx, or dV by dr, dV by r, V by r, like that I said different value, is it so? dV by dx or dV by dr, or just V by r, V by x, anything. Okay. Now, actually dV by dx means what does that represent? Differentiate potential with respect to x, distance. That is the meaning. I think everybody studied mathematics, yeah? Anybody pure science? No. You are pure science. You are also pure science. Okay, no problem. That is in differentiation, that is in mathematics, calculus, differential calculus is there. That is differentiate V with respect to x. Okay. Differential value. Okay. E equal to minus dV by dx. Right. And if here something mentioned, V equal to 5 volt throughout, it means throughout this 0.2 meter cube, V is 5 volt only. Okay. Throughout 0.2 meter cube, volume V is 5 volts only. It means constant. And if you differentiate constant value, you will get 0 in differential calculus. Okay. You can't differentiate the constant value. If you try to differentiate the constant, value is 0. And as V is throughout means it is nothing but constant. So, 5 volt if you differentiate, then it's a constant. If you differentiate constant, 0 only. So, option C. Okay. இப்படி ஒன்று வந்துடும் இல்லையா? ஏன்னா இப்போ அதான் மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காரு, போர்டை விட்டு அப்படி வெளியே போகாதீங்க சார் அப்படின்ட்டு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காரு. லைவ் ஷோ இஸ் கோயிங். யூ கேன் கம் திஸ் சைட். அந்த இதில் ஒன்று வந்துடும். Okay, next problem. If potential in a region is expressed as V of x comma y comma z, V of வேறு மார்க் இருந்தால் வாங்கிட்டு வரீங்களா? ரொம்ப டல்லாக இருக்குது. இன்னும் அதில் இன்னும் மோசமாக இருக்கும். அங்கே என்ன இருந்தால் வேறு மார்க்கர் இங்கே இருக்குமோ? Okay, this is okay, no? Okay, come. Okay, ma. This is better, I think. Okay, you keep ready for next class. Okay. Write down. If potential in volt in a region is expressed as V of x comma y comma z equal to 6 x y minus y plus 2 y z. If potential in a region is expressed as V of x comma y comma z equal to 6xy minus y plus 2yz. The electric field at point, continue. The electric field at a point 1 comma 0 is dash. Electric field at a point 1 comma 0 is dash. Option is given like this. Option A, minus 3i plus 5j plus 3k. B option, minus 6i plus 5j plus 2k. These two options you try. So V is given and you should find E in 1 comma 1 comma 0. Just previous sum only we discussed that. What is the relation between E and V? E equal to minus dV by dx or dV by dr, like that we discussed. Here it's three quantity, dV by dx, dV by dy, dV by dz, three part. Because it's dV by dx means it's along only x-axis. Here x-axis also there, y-axis also there, z-axis also there. So all the three axes. Okay. Now E equal to minus I into dou V by dou x plus J into dou V by dou y plus K into dou V by dou z. What is I means? I cap, J cap, K cap. What is IJK? Unit vector. Unit vector along respective axis. For example, I is a unit vector along x-axis. Okay, I is a unit vector along x-axis. J is a unit vector along y-axis. K is a unit vector along z-axis. Okay, now separately first find dou V by dou x, dou V by dou y, dou V by dou z. So this is the equation we are writing, and dou V by dou x equal to, differentiate this. For dou V by dou x, x only variable, y is constant. So 6xy, if you differentiate, what will come? If you differentiate 6xy, 6y, x will be 1. Okay. Similarly, y is constant, becomes 0. This is also constant, 0. This plus is 0. Because y is a constant, 0, and y is that also constant. It is differentiate with x only. Similarly, dou V by dou y. Dou V by dou y. Find out dou V by dou z. Okay, sir. Dou V by dou y, dou V by dou z. Now, dou V by dou y. Differentiate this. Now, x is constant. If you differentiate this, 6x. And this one, if you differentiate y. Y is a variable here. So, 1. Differentiation of y is dy by dy. Okay, so that is 1. And if you differentiate this, plus y is a variable, 2 into z. Okay, now dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z means this and this constant, only this is here 2y only. 2y. Any doubt in this? If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me, I will repeat. Any doubt? No. No doubt, no, Sabrish? Okay. Now you want to substitute this here. And substitute x equal to 1 comma 1 comma 0 means x is 1, y is 1, z is 0. That you substitute. That is here. After substituting this here, that is, now you can substitute these things here. Then this is equal to dou v by dou x, 6y. 6y into I cap and plus dou v by dou y, that is 6x minus 1 plus 2z. 6x minus 1 plus 2z j cap and then 2y plus 2y k whole cap and minus is there. Okay. Equal to minus. Any doubt in this step? Just I substituted dou v by dou x here into I cap, dou v by dou y into j cap, dou v by dou z into k cap. Now you substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 0 there. And now check it. What is your answer? Take minus inside. That is E equal to this, E of 1 comma 0 equal to means substitute y equal to 1, x equal to 1, z equal to 0 and then simplify and check which option is correct. Okay, what is the correct answer? Option B is correct. Option B. That is y is 1, then minus 6i plus x is 1, z is 0, is it so? So 6 minus 1, 5. 5j I cap j cap plus 2 into y. Y is 1, 2k cap. 6i plus 5j plus 2k. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem. A 4 microfarad capacitor, a 4 microfarad capacitor is charged to, a 4 microfarad capacitor is charged to 400 volts, charged to 400 volts. Four microfarad capacitor is charged to 400 volts, and then its plates are joined, and then its plates are joined through a resistance of, its plates are joined through a resistance of 1 kilo ohm. The heat produced in the resistance, the heat produced in the resistance is dash. The heat produced in the resistance is dash. Option A, 0.16 joules. B option, 1.28 joules. C, 0.64 joules. D, 0.32 joules. So 4 microfarad, what is this? Physical quantity. What physical quantity this is? There you said no, dipole moment means P. Symbol P. Like that, 4 microfarad is what? What physical quantity? Read the question. For microfarad capacitor, it means it's a capacitance of a capacitor. What is the symbol for capacitor? C. C. What is 400 volts? Voltage or potential? What is this? Check it. Check the question. Resistance. What you want to find? What you want to find? Heat produced. Heat produced is equal to energy. Energy U. Yesterday we said. What is the energy of the capacitor? U equal to yesterday formula. U equal to three formula we have given of Q, V, another formula
U is equal to half CV square.
of CV square, another formula
Q square divided by 2C.
Q square divided by 2C. In this one formula only you are going to apply. Check it which formula and apply and find the answer. Do it. And a microfarad convert to normal farad. Micro means how much? 10 power minus 6. Microfarad convert into farad. Four microfarad, 4 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Now which formula you will apply? QV or CV square or Q square by 2C? CV square. So this is the formula. This formula only you are going to apply. And here heat energy H equal to potential energy U equal to half CV square. Come on, apply and find the answer. What's the answer? H equal to half into C 4 into 10 power minus 6 into 400 volts, 400 square. Is it so? You can write as 400, okay, 400 square. Because we are not going to simplify, it's getting cancelled easily into, so 400 square. 224, 4 square, how much? 4 4 16, 16 and 4 zeros. Is it only 1600? 1600 means only 2 0. 2 more 0. Okay. And simplify. So this formula we are not using, only this formula, so I am rubbing this. This you can write as 16 into 10 power 4. Is it so? Then 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 16 into 10 power 4. 16 into 2, 32 into 10 power minus 6 into 10 power 4, 10 power minus 2. Then 10 power minus 2 is 1, 0, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2 here. So 0.32 joules. Option D. Okay. Okay, no doubt, no? Okay. Next problem. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with air as a medium, is 6 microfarad. Is 6 microfarad. With the introduction of a dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. 30 microfarad. The capacitance, with the introduction of a dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. 30 microfarad. Find the relative permittivity and permittivity of the medium. Actually, question is only permittivity of the medium. Write down. Relative permittivity we will find. Find the, you write like this. The permittivity of the medium is dash. The permittivity of the medium is dash. And relative permittivity extra we are going to find out. Okay, that also we can find, that I will say. First we will complete the option given here. That is, I am repeating again, last sentence, the permittivity of the medium is dash. Permittivity of the medium is dash. Okay, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. What is the formula? Afterwards you get this one. Okay, you can take photo also. Easily. Okay.
C is equal to Q by D.
Oh, in terms of, that is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Yesterday only we have given.
Cm is equal to,
Hmm.
there is epsilon r,
Hmm.
epsilon
Hmm. First, without dielectric medium, for this C equal to epsilon naught A by D. Okay. This is without any medium. There is air as a medium. And if after introduction of any dielectric medium, C dash equal to epsilon or epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Using this, you want to find, what you want to find?
permittivity.
Permittivity of the medium. What is permittivity of medium? I think yesterday class I said, I think. Epsilon r equal to, or K equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. Is it so? Yesterday class only, I think. Here epsilon is only permittivity of the medium. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of a free space or vacuum. And epsilon or K is a dielectric constant or relative permittivity. Okay, here you want to find this one. Come on, try. Option is 1.77 into 10 power minus 12. Second option 0.44 into 10 power minus 10. Two options of. So using this formula and this formula only, you are going to find epsilon. Epsilon only you want to find. Okay. Epsilon equal to question mark. Permittivity of the medium only you want to find. I will say one clue. That is, this by this, all the things we are getting cancelled and you will get only epsilon r. And substitute C value, C dash value there, and simplify, you will get epsilon r. And using this formula, you can find epsilon r, you know, you found. Epsilon naught is a constant, you know, you can find epsilon. Try it. Understand? No? This by this, all the thing getting cancelled equal to epsilon r or 1 by epsilon r, something you may get. And then substitute C dash and C there. Then you will find epsilon r. Then that epsilon r substitute this here. Epsilon r equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. I'll rub this K. Don't confuse with K and epsilon r, just epsilon r. Yes. Follow. Do you follow? No. epsilon r equal to 5. Then epsilon naught value you know. How much?
8.85
Minus 12. Simplify, you can find epsilon. Then check which option is correct.
option A was
A or B? 5 into 8.85. Is it coming 1.77?
into 12 into 1.
But you got epsilon r value, epsilon r 5. Got or not? C dash by C gives epsilon r epsilon naught A by D into C. C is epsilon naught A by D. This is epsilon naught A getting cancelled, D getting cancelled. C dash by C equal to epsilon r. From this, epsilon r equal to C dash by C. C dash is 30 microfarad. 30 into 10 power minus 6 by 6 into 10 power minus 6. Getting cancelled, 6, 5, 30. So epsilon r equal to 5. Substitute this here. Epsilon r equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. Then epsilon equal to, what's the formula? Epsilon r equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. Epsilon equal to
Epsilon R
into epsilon naught. That only we are going to do. That is here epsilon equal to epsilon naught into epsilon naught. 5 into 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. Then 5, 5, 25, 5, 8, 40, 42, again 5, 8, 40, 44, is it so? 44 in 0.25, 2 digits, so into 10 power minus 12. So for 10 power minus 1, seeing 10 power minus 12, you said directly. Okay, then 44 is coming, but 10 power minus 10. So take 2 digit here. Then 0.4425 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, that is option B. Epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. It has other name is there. Another name of permittivity of the medium is absolute permittivity. In definition I said, I think, absolute permittivity. Other name of permittivity of the medium, absolute permittivity. What is epsilon r? Epsilon r is the relative permittivity or dielectric constant. Next problem. 3 capacitors. Sabrish, you don't doubt illiye? Any doubt? No. Haruni? No doubt. 3 capacitors, each of capacitors C. 3 capacitors, each of capacitance C, capital C, and of breakdown voltage V, and of breakdown voltage V, capital V, or joined in series, or joined in series. V are joined in series. The capacitance and breakdown voltage, the capacitance and breakdown voltage of the combination will be dash. The capacitance and breakdown voltage of the combination will be dash. Now, three capacitors joined in series. Series na eppadi varuma illa parallel indha mari varuma. Which is series? This is series. C1, C2, C3 என்றது, and then அதோடைய voltage, some voltage, V voltage. Okay. Then three capacitors, each value is C. So C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to C. Okay. From this, C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to C. Then you want to find capacitance of the capacitor and the V value. C and V you want to find. Option A option, C by V comma V by 3. B option, 3C comma V by 3. C option, C by 3 comma 3V. Last option, 3C comma 3V. Which is the correct answer. Okay, yesterday class we have given for capacitance in series. What is the formula? Yes, 1 by CS. 1 by CS equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. 1 by C3. And for series, I said what about V? V will be distributed as V1, V2, V3. Is it so?
No, sir.
How then? Check it. In capacitance series, V will be distributed as V1, V2, V3 or Q1, Q2, Q3. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. And so for series formula is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. Now, question is given, capacitance of each capacitance is C. C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to C. And V1 equal to V2 equal to V3 equal to V. Come on. Find the answer. So, question also given, option also given, steps also given, formula also given. You should find answer. Try. Substitute C1, C2, C3 here. You should find CS only. CS and V. Okay, now you should find the answer for this. Instead of C1, C2, C3, keep C, C, C. Same way instead of V1, V2, V3, V, V, V. and simplify. Try and tick which option. Now you should find here, this C is nothing but CS. Combination means CS only you should find. Okay, using this formula.
Option C also.
Yes, C is correct. Option C is the correct answer. Others also want to get answer. Try. One by CS equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C. Then 3 by C. This is equal to 3 by C. 1 by CS equal to 3 by C. CS equal to that reciprocal. Then C by 3. Okay. And then V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. That is V equal to V plus V plus V. V equal to V plus V plus V. This is total voltage, like that. Okay. Or when in series. Then V plus V plus V, 3V. So C by 3 and 3V, that is option C. Okay. Option C is the answer. Same way, this is not here. When it is parallel, can you find it? When it is parallel. Same question, instead of series, if it is parallel. Option I too don't know, because I have to find out. Just on thinking I am giving. So CV when it is in parallel. So here CP, VP. Okay, so you try this. We'll continue next class, because now live session is option A or B.
In the option parallel.
CP equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. B இது வரும், V தப்பா வரும், V வராது. So what you are getting, you bring it. Okay, no option is given. You try to find the answer. Okay, for parallel. Okay, yes. Now chemistry live session is there. நீங்கள் என்ன வாங்கி போட்டுருக்கணும். இப்போ என்ன கிளாஸ் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்களோ